Hello everyone. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create a one-click setup that instantly free your RAM and boost performance. Please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to create a one-click setup RAM cleaner, you are going to create a shortcut on the desktop. So to do that, I'm going to right-click on an empty space on the desktop. Then I go to New and then Shortcut. Okay. So I'm going to copy the script for the shortcut. So I'll open the notepad and then I'll copy the script. I'm going to leave the script at the description. You can try your hands and leave your comment at the comment section. Okay. So I'm going to paste it at the location. Then I'll click on Next. So I'm going to name my shortcut Clear RAM and then I'll click on Finish. You can change the icon by right-clicking on the shortcut and then go to Properties and then change icon. Then click on OK. So here we don't actually have a RAM icon, okay? So I'm going to use this Shift Set icon for demonstration. So I'm going to click on OK and then Apply and then OK. So when you double click on this shortcut, what it does is it forces Windows to immediately run a background idle cleanup task, okay, which frees cache memory, it flashes unused RAM, and then improves responsiveness, okay, no risk, no data loss. So if I double click on that, you wouldn't see anything on your screen because it's running at the background, okay? So this brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find this guide helpful, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.